Question 1147. Listing broker Linus is requested by buyer Bruce to hold a deposit check for 60 days. The broker's best response would be to A. Inform the buyer that the check can only be held for a week. B. Decline the buyer's request. C. Accept the deposit and promise to hold the check, without informing the buyer. D. Accept the check, but inform the buyer that the seller will make the choice on whether to grant the requested hold. Correct answer is D. Accept the check, but inform the buyer that the seller will make the choice on whether to grant the requested hold. The listing broker's role is to provide the owner with material information and convey informed advice, while leaving the decision to the owner whether to accept the hold. Question 1148. Which of these instruments must be recorded in the county recorder's office to be valid? A. Easement in gross. B. Commercial rental lease. C. Declaration of homestead. D. Land contract. Correct answer is C. Declaration of homestead. Although some states require that land contracts be recorded for validity, California does not. Easements and leases also do not need recording, but a declaration of homestead does. Question 1149. A contract obtained by a party committing a fraudulent act is A. Modifiable. B. Valid. C. Automatically cancelled. D. Voidable. Correct answer is D. Voidable. Misrepresentation of a fact to someone who takes the misrepresentation as a truth in deciding to enter into an agreement is called a fraud or fraudulent act. The party injured by the fraud has the choice whether to void the agreement, so it is voidable. Question 1150. A broker holding a non-exclusive listing for a sold property wishing to demonstrate she is entitled to a commission must show that she A. held a broker's license at the time of the sale. B. found a ready, willing and able purchaser for the property. C. was the procuring cause of the sale. D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. The following elements are necessary for a broker to claim a commission. Procuring cause means being the one responsible for closing the transaction. Question 1151. Limited partnerships must include A. 4 limited partners for every 1 general partner. B. at least 1 general partner and 1 limited partner. C. a statement of purpose delivered to the Bureau of Real Estate. D. none of the above. Correct answer is B. at least 1 general partner and 1 limited partner. Limited partnerships are the most common example of real estate syndicates, in which the syndicator sells interests in real estate to investors. Limited partners are passive investors. Question 1152. The monthly net income of an investment property is $1,550. An investor is expecting a 13% rate of return. Using the capitalization appraisal approach, the value of the property is A. $135,748. B. $143,076. C. $176,455. D. $260,000. Correct answer is B. $143,076. The capitalization formula is stated as income equals value x capitalization rate. Note that the income in the capitalization formula is the yearly net income produced by the investment property. Monthly income being $1,550, the yearly income is $18,600. Formula: I equals V x percent substitute. $18,600 equals V by 0.13. Rearrange the formula to isolate the V, the unknown quantity. $18,600 divided by 0.13 equals $143,076. Question 1153. Which is not deducted from gross income when calculating net income to find a property's correct capitalization rate? A. Replacement cost. B. Property management costs. C. Interest on investment funds. D. Real estate taxes. Correct answer is C. Interest on investment funds. The only permitted deductions for determining new income have to be directly attributed to the property. Interest on investment funds is a personal expense. Question 1154. A contract may be considered unenforceable by a court for any of the following reasons, except a. Its contents cannot be proven, b. It is voidable by the other party, c. It was signed by one spouse rather than both, d. The statute of limitations has expired for a lawsuit to enforce the contract. Correct answer is C. It was signed by one spouse rather than both. A married person may sign a contract on his or her own and it will be enforceable. Question 1155. Which of the following is required to create a valid contract? A. Offer and acceptance. B. Consideration. C. Mutual consent. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Capacity to contract is the fourth required element. Writing is not mandatory for some contracts to be valid. Question 1156. A listing agreement authorizes a broker to blank, A. Accept offers at his own discretion on the owner's behalf, B. Convey title to the property, C. Find a buyer who is ready, willing and able to buy the property on the owner's terms, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Find a buyer who is ready, willing and able to buy the property on the owner's terms. Listing agreements are employment contracts, usually with the broker promising his best efforts to find a suitable purchaser and the owner promising to pay a commission if such a buyer is found. Question 1157. To obtain an FHA loan, a borrower must pay a fee to a lender called A. Origination fee, B. Registration fee, C. Loan allotment fee, D. Shipping and handling fee. Correct answer is A. Origination fee. Origination fees cover the lender's costs for issuing the FHA home loan. Question 1158. Which of the following has the least impact on a financial institution's deciding whether to make a real estate mortgage loan? A. Applicant's credit history. B. Applicant's income. C. Value of the property. D. Applicant's need for the loan. Correct answer is D. Applicant's need for the loan. Personal issues such as the loan applicant's need for a loan will not influence a business decision.